Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. This round is on further addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. If you have watched our previous video on addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, this tutorial is a continuation of that first part where questions are slightly tougher, it's a bit more complicated, but it is not so difficult. Okay, so I'll be going through two examples today and here how it's done. Okay, so for number one, instructions is to simplify the following. I think we can do this easily, but 7x plus 5y minus 3x. In this case, we have two types of terms. The first one is the x term, and the second one is the y term. Okay, these are the x term, and then this is the y term. So when we want to simplify, we can only add or subtract like terms. Okay, in this case, our like terms are x, and y and x are different, so we cannot do anything with the y. So what we can do is, I will do a regrouping of all my like terms so that I can see easily. 7x minus 3x first, plus 5y. Okay, so now I will proceed to simplify this one. To get 7 minus 3 is 4, so I get a 4x here. What about 5y? 5y is the only term. I cannot do anything with 5y, so it will remain as plus 5y. Okay, so this is my answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Alright, let's look at number 2. Example number 2. We have 4x minus 8y plus 6x plus 3y. So let's identify all the like terms. Okay, the first like terms are 4x and plus 6x. The second like terms are negative 8y and plus 3y. Okay, so to make it simple, for us, we will regroup 4x plus 6x, okay, minus 8y plus 3y. So we have two different groups here. This is the x group, this is the y group. So we simplify this to get 4 plus 6 is 10. So we have 10x. Negative 8 plus 3. Okay, so negative 8 plus 3 will be a negative 5y. Okay, in case you do not know how to simplify this part, let me go through this again. Okay, so this one can be done by rearranging the terms. If you always prefer the positive term in front, we can always rewrite this as 3y minus 8y. Okay, so we will get a negative 5y. So it's the same. Okay, negative 5y here and negative 5y there. So this is our final answer, 10x minus 5y. Okay, so this is further addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. So go over this again if you need to look at examples, and what you can do next is to attempt the questions in the worksheets on further addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Alright, have fun guys!